Right now, this toaster is breaking the laws of physics. Well, the old classical physics laws anyway. This is because Max Planck and Albert Einstein realized that energy does not flow smoothly and continuously, rather in chunks. And classical physics viewed energy like boiling water on a stove. As you increase the energy, the water molecules absorb the energy continuously and eventually they boil and break free as a steam. Just like that, increase the heat to the coils in the toaster. It starts with visible red light, but as they get hotter, it should ramp up into invisible, extremely dangerous ultraviolet and X-ray radiation. Imagine getting blasted by X-rays every time you make breakfast. But that doesn't happen, and the toaster wires stay red. The fact that you aren't being zapped right now is a starting point for quantum physics. In 1900, Max Planck solved the toaster mystery by realizing that energy doesn't work like a smooth ramp. Energy actually moves like a staircase. You can be on one step or the other, but never in space between the steps. Planck showed that glowing wires don't emit X-rays because they don't have enough single-step energy chunks to jump that high. Planck had the mathematical theory, but Albert Einstein found the definite proof. He looked at something called the photoelectric effect. Shining light on a metal surface can knock electrons off, creating electricity. But classical physics predicted that just like water soaking up the energy to boil and break free as steam, if you used a blindingly bright red light, the electrons would soak up enough energy like a sponge absorbing water continuously to pop off. It should only depend on brightness, right? But that failed spectacularly. Bright red light did nothing. But a tiny dim burst of blue light, it knocked electrons off instantly. This proved that light isn't smooth and continuous energy. They are like targets in the carnival game, and each incoming packet of light is like a projectile. Bright red light is like throwing a million ping pong balls. It looks impressive, but each ball has too little punch in its single chunk to knock the target down. Dim blue light is like firing a single bowling ball. It's just one packet of energy, just that single chunk has enough power to finish the job. The quantum rule states, it's not the brightness that matters, it's the color. Color determines the energy of each individual chunk called a photon. Higher energy, bigger punch. So blue has more energy per photon than red. And quantum is just a fancy word for chunks. So Planck and Einstein won Nobel Prizes for proving the universe is chunky. Nature isn't a smooth ramp, it's a staircase. This realization that energy isn't continuous laid the groundwork for the most powerful technology we have today, like smartphone, laser, MRI machines, and solar panels. But if light comes in chunks, what does that mean for the atoms making up your body right now? The rules even get weirder, and according to classical physics, you shouldn't even exist. Like and subscribe and join me in part 2 as we go inside the atom.